We're going to a friend's bar. It's the family, I think, property. I don't know, but we're gonna see and try. Okay, so because of the MECQ, this bar is closed until 8. Too bad. We have to go because the municipal curfew in Valencia is only at 8 p.m. So but anyway, if you want to rent out this place, guys, it's only 6,000, but that's excluding the videoke. The videoke is 1,2. That's additional. Again, the whole place is only 6,000, and it has a pool. Yeah, very nice. By the way, there's no corkage here, and but they charge only for the drinks, and they also have drinks, but for food there's no corkage for the food. Okay, so you should check out this place, guys. This is the corner of the South Pool and Restobar. It's right in the center of Valencia. I mean, it's in the town, corner of the South Valencia. So see you guys. See you. Bye bye.